Antibiotics are very useful meds that can save us from severe infections. Thing is, they come with a bag of side effects. Hear this. One of the most powerful antibiotics isn't found in a pharmacy, but it's sitting quietly in your kitchen right now. And no, it's not some exotic herb or rare spice, it's something you've probably used countless times without realizing its true potential. In an age where antibiotic resistance is becoming a global concern, finding a natural remedy that can fight harmful bacteria, lower blood pressure, and even ward off colds and flu could be life-changing. Stick around, because today, we're revealing the secret to using nature's most potent antibiotic. Welcome to Levitas. How does this natural remedy work? This natural powerhouse works in a way that modern antibiotics often fail to replicate. It contains a sulfur-rich compound called allicin, which is activated when it's crushed, chopped, or chewed. Allicin is nature's antibiotic, antiviral, and antifungal agent, capable of destroying a wide range of harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Unlike synthetic antibiotics, which target only certain bacterial strains, this natural remedy disrupts the life cycle of various microorganisms, making it a broad-spectrum defender. Once allicin enters your body, it boosts your immune system by stimulating the activity of white blood cells, your first line of defense against infections. Additionally, allicin's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall cellular health. This dual action, fighting pathogens and enhancing immune resilience, makes it a unique and powerful solution for those seeking natural ways to stay healthy. Unlike conventional antibiotics, it doesn't just wipe out bad bacteria. It also supports the body's natural microbiome, which is crucial for long-term health. With its ability to work at the cellular level, this remedy is not just a quick fix, but a holistic approach to preventing and combating infections. Can it also help lower high blood pressure? Yes, this natural remedy does more than just fight infections. It can also help manage high blood pressure. The secret lies in its ability to enhance the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and dilates blood vessels. When blood vessels are relaxed, blood flows more freely, reducing the pressure against artery walls. Allicin, the active compound, also inhibits the activity of angiotensin-converting enzyme, which is responsible for constricting blood vessels. By blocking angiotensin-converting enzyme, it prevents blood vessels from tightening, further promoting healthy blood pressure levels. This natural remedy acts much like angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors prescribed for hypertension, but without the synthetic chemicals. Additionally, its high antioxidant content helps reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, which can contribute to high blood pressure over time. Regular consumption has been shown in various studies to lead to significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, particularly in individuals with hypertension. By improving circulation and reducing oxidative stress, this remedy not only lowers blood pressure but also protects the heart, reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular issues. It's a natural, side effect-free way to keep your heart healthy and your blood pressure in check. Can it help prevent colds and flu? Absolutely. This natural remedy is a powerful ally in preventing and reducing the severity of colds and flu. Its immune-boosting properties stem from its ability to enhance the activity of immune cells, particularly macrophages and natural killer cells, which are responsible for identifying and destroying viruses. Allicin, once again, is the star compound here. It interferes with the replication of viruses, making it difficult for them to spread and take hold in your body. Unlike over-the-counter cold medications, which only treat symptoms, this remedy addresses the root cause by strengthening your immune defense system. Regular consumption during flu season can significantly reduce the frequency and duration of infections. Studies have shown that individuals who consume this natural remedy regularly experience fewer sick days and recover faster when they do catch a cold. Its antiviral properties also extend to upper respiratory tract infections, helping to clear congestion, reduce inflammation, and soothe a sore throat. By incorporating this remedy into your daily routine, you can build a natural barrier against seasonal illnesses and stay healthier throughout the whole year. So, what is this incredible natural antibiotic? It's garlic! Yes, the humble garlic clove is one of the most potent natural antibiotics on Earth. With its powerful compound allicin, garlic has been used for centuries to fight infections, boost immunity, and promote overall health. It's a simple, accessible, and affordable solution that many overlook. Whether you're battling a cold, looking to lower your blood pressure, or aiming to prevent infections, garlic is a natural remedy that deserves a place in your daily routine. What is the best way to consume it as an antibiotic? To maximize the antibiotic power of garlic, it's essential to consume it raw. Cooking garlic significantly reduces its allicin content, the compound responsible for its health benefits. The best way to activate allicin is to crush or chop fresh garlic cloves and let them sit for about 10 minutes before consuming. This allows the enzymatic process that produces allicin to fully activate. For maximum effectiveness, take garlic on an empty stomach. This allows for better absorption and ensures that allicin reaches your bloodstream quickly. A common recommendation is to consume 1 to 2 raw cloves per day, either chopped and mixed with little amount of raw organic honey for a more palatable taste, or added to salads, dressings, or healthy fats. If the taste of raw garlic is too strong, you can also mix it with a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil or lemon juice to enhance its flavor and reduce the pungency. Consuming garlic regularly, particularly during cold and flu season, can help you build a natural defense against infections. Are supplements as effective as raw garlic? Garlic supplements can be effective, but they're not as potent as raw garlic. Most supplements are processed in a way that reduces their allicin content, the key compound responsible for garlic's antibiotic properties. While aged garlic extract and garlic oil supplements still offer some health benefits, such as supporting heart health and reducing inflammation, they lack the immediate antimicrobial power of fresh garlic. If you choose supplements, look for those that specify a high allicin yield. However, for maximum benefits, raw garlic remains the superior option, especially when fighting infections or boosting immunity. Can too much garlic be harmful? While garlic offers numerous health benefits, consuming too much can lead to some mild side effects. One common issue is gastrointestinal discomfort, including bloating, gas, and heartburn, particularly when consumed in large amounts on an empty stomach. Garlic's natural blood-thinning properties can also pose a risk if you're taking anticoagulant medications or have a bleeding disorder. In such cases, excessive garlic consumption can increase the risk of bleeding or interfere with medication. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to garlic, resulting in skin rashes, itching, or respiratory issues. Additionally, garlic's strong sulfur compounds can cause bad breath and body odor, which may be unpleasant for some people. Moderation is key. Stick to 1 to 2 raw cloves per day, and consult with your healthcare professional if you're on medication or have a medical condition. With mindful consumption, garlic can be a safe and powerful addition to your health regimen. In conclusion, garlic, nature's antibiotic, is a remarkable powerhouse with wide-ranging benefits. Its active compound, allicin, not only combats harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi, but also enhances immune function by stimulating white blood cells and reducing oxidative stress. Unlike synthetic antibiotics, garlic supports a healthy microbiome, offering a holistic defense against infections. Additionally, garlic plays a critical role in cardiovascular health by promoting nitric oxide production and inhibiting angiotensin-converting enzyme, both of which help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. This, combined with its anti-inflammatory properties, protects the heart and reduces the risk of hypertension-related complications. Garlic's antiviral effects also make it a valuable ally against colds and flu, enhancing immune cell activity and reducing virus replication. While raw garlic is the most potent form, supplements can offer some benefits, though they lack the immediate antimicrobial strength. However, moderation is key. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive discomfort or interact with blood-thinning medications. Incorporating garlic thoughtfully into your daily routine can unlock its full potential as a natural remedy for long-term health and wellness. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.